All right, so this is our new home. I want to do a walkthrough video so that everyone can see what it looked like before all of the renovations take place. All right, so the house we bought is here in Harrisburg. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, I believe 2,800 square feet. But we're redoing inside and outside. So when you walk in, you notice you have this tile flooring here. You've got this staircase and big foyer entrance to the right. This space is not bad at all, but you do have popcorn ceiling. All this flooring is getting replaced. This is going to be the office area here to this side. It'll be like a little office slash guys lounge. We've got a half bath there, followed by the dining room here. We're going to do panels down at the bottom, and everything's getting a new set of paint. It's going to be a bit lighter. The house only gets so much light, so we want to go with a really light paint. This thing is going to be gone. We thought it was going to be useful for like dogs and a baby, but we're getting rid of that. We're going to paint all of the cabinets. We're going to replace the countertops. We're getting brand new appliances. That backsplash is going to be gone. We're going to raise this section up to the left where this desk was, because look at it, it's desk height. It needs to be raised to match the same height as the countertop. So that will contain a wine fridge. So this will get completely redone here in the kitchen. As I turn, that chair railing will be gone. This will be painted. The tile around the fireplace will be redone. The flooring is going to get changed. This is real wood. This star over here is kind of funky. This was custom to the previous homeowners, and what we're going to do, we're going to try and get the demo people to cut this up, and I want to take it to the previous owners because they lived here 24 years since the house was built. So this home has only had one owner, and it's been very, very well taken care of. In the back, you've got a deck. We're not doing anything really outside right now. It's a big back deck, but we want to double the size of this deck at some point. So this gives you the most light, these double doors here. But yeah, the outside we're not doing much. As you can see here, we're gonna turn this into a pantry. I would like to do the glass doors. That would be something that'd be late down the line, and it depends on the cost, if it's even worth it or not. But that's what I would love to have. This is see-through glass. Here is the laundry room. We'll have to touch that paint up, obviously. Not much is changing in there. I will show you the garage, because the garage, let me get the light on. As you can see, we're gonna change this flooring. It's not the best lighting in here, but this is going to get changed to be an epoxy floor, and that popcorn should be coming down as well. So that will get redone. You got a back staircase here. You can see the carpet's pretty wrecked. So we're gonna redo all the carpet. All the railings will get redone in the front and on this side. This back staircase takes you to a bonus room. All right, the bonus room, I think I've convinced my wife to keep this ceiling fan. Only a few rooms will get, the bedrooms will get ceiling fans, but we're replacing them all. I'm just going to replace the glass on that one because it's a little bit dated. All the light fixtures will get replaced. This carpet will get replaced. But it's a good bonus room. It'll be like a good TV media room along with a playroom for the baby. All right, this bathroom, I'm going to redo myself. So I want you to go ahead and get a good look. And I'm thinking I can redo it for 500 bucks or less. I will show you the after so you can see exactly how well it turns out. I'm going to try and save the countertop there, but it's a funky shape. Look at this. It's a funky shape. So that would be tough to replace on my own just because of the cut. I want to conserve costs and try and do it myself. It'd be a good learning process. As you can see, this wallpaper is coming down. This is old school, but this will be the guest room. All this wallpaper is going to get gone. They're actually coming in today to take the wallpaper down. Tomorrow, they're gonna take the popcorn ceiling down. So this will be transformed very quickly. I wanted to get the walkthrough video before they started demoing, so that's why I'm doing it now. You've got storage up top. That's where all the Christmas stuff is gonna go. This is going to be the baby's room. This is gonna get completely redone. This wall will be a newly wallpapered wall with like, actually I'm not gonna spoil the surprise. I'll let you see what it's going to be when it's done. But this is probably the biggest of the spare bedrooms. So we're gonna give this room to the baby. So her crib and everything will go in there. There's another room. This room gets better light, but here's another bedroom. I'm gonna go ahead in here. So it's pretty small compared to the other ones. All right, but this will get redone a little bit. All the carpet will be replaced. You notice there's carpet here on the staircase and down this hallway. All this carpet will become laminate, luxury vinyl planks actually. This carpet will get tore up. We're gonna refinish the stairs, and of course the railing will get redone, and then we're gonna change that chandelier at some point. All this popcorn is gonna come down, and then we make our way into the master. This floor is new, but we're gonna rip it up. We're gonna put carpet in all the bedrooms. Those are the only rooms that will have carpet in the bonus. This is a good sized room. I think there are maybe, I don't know, 4 or 5 different types of flooring in the house. So you can see if I back up in here in the corner, I don't have a wide angle lens on here. I need to figure that out for my videos. But you can see it's pretty large. It's larger than our previous master. And one of the last updates we'll do once everything's done, you probably won't get to see this until much, much later if I do a video at all. But all of this bathroom is getting replaced. We want to extend the vanity, take this mirror down, change the light fixtures. This popcorn will come down. We want to rip the tub out, change the flooring. This is a linen closet here. But notice, okay, so you've got this linen closet here. We want to take this whole linen closet out, take this toilet out, and this shower is old school. Look at that gold. So we want to take this wall out and make this one big shower area. This is old school, so that's got to go. We want to take this wall out, make this one big shower area. And when you do that, then on the right side where the toilet is, we could put the tub. This would look straight through into the shower. So it'd be like a wet room, right? And then over here where this tub is, it would just be the toilet over in the corner. And then we would take this vanity and extend it another one of these vanities. We'd add an extra one and then make this look all nice and neat. So this is a big project we don't intend on doing for a little bit of time. And then you got this closet, which I would love to put built-ins inside of. If I can do that for, you know, $1,500 or something, then we'll do that. Obviously that carpet will get gone at some point. So that is the plan. This closet and this bathroom will be redone last, and that's the house. So can't wait to share the final updates with everyone, and just stay tuned.